Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. On this channel, we take a look at police interaction videos and discuss our constitutional rights. In today's video, you are going to see the importance of recording the police and exercising your constitutional rights. You are also going to see how using a dash cam can help save you during a traffic stop. This video comes to us from the Angry channel. Be sure to subscribe to their channel and let them know San Joaquin sent you. This traffic stop takes us to the state of Nevada. In this specific interaction, you are going to see a Pyramid Lake police officer pull this lady over and blatantly lie and say that she was speeding, even though her dash camera proves otherwise. Even though the interaction is fairly quick, there is a lot to unpack here, so let's not waste any time and hop right in.
Don't do anything. Pull me over on the flats. Don't do anything.
Hello.
Hi. Don't do anything. Pull me over on the flats. Don't do anything.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, my name's Detective Bonto of the Pyramid Lake Tribal Police
Let me roll
Department.
this up.
Okay.
How are you?
Good, thank you. The reason why I'm stopping is because you were speeding a couple miles back. And the reason why I pulled you over here is because I thought you were going to pull over on that flat spot right there.
What
but
flat
we're
spot?
here.
Oh no, I don't trust these roads. Hell no, I don't trust these roads.
Okay.
No, I'm on cruise.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So a couple miles back on the straightaway on the flat there, you were going 80?
I was going 70.
Okay.
I have it on record.
Okay. All right then.
But yeah, I don't know what 80 you're talking about.
Okay.
But I have it recorded on my camera and on here as well. So
Okay then. All right.
no worries, but that's a good guess. I live out here street.
Okay. Awesome.
So I just got off for work.
Oh, gotcha. I kind of figured with the scrub.
Yeah, I
Okay.
know. What scares me the most is these cows.
Oh yeah.
That's
Right.
why I was like, holy crap. But no, babe, I only go 70. I don't trust anybody on this road, especially the truckers.
Okay.
No,
real
hell
quick,
no.
do you
I
have your
get
driver's
paranoid.
license on
I
you, please?
do. Hell no. Are you kidding me? This
But-
is always a death road at night when I'm coming home. Hang on, babe.
But is everything going to be good with your license?
Yeah, everything's
Okay.
good.
Well, look here. If that's the case, I'm just going to give you a warning.
That's
for
okay, babe. Here, I'll show
the
you.
speed.
You
Okay.
want my tribal spouse? My spousal card?
No, that's fine. Just the driver's
Yeah.
license. Perfect. Thank you.
Right here. No, I work in Fernley, and I just got off,
Oh, okay.
and it's bad enough for me. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Anywho, no, I was going 70.
Okay then.
I am anal about my gas.
Gotcha.
Like, I monitor my gas.
Okay.
Even when my husband drives it, I said, do not go over a certain amount because of my gas.
Okay then. All right then.
Anyhow, but I'm not that far from home.
Yeah, you are not.
No, I just
Okay.
want to get home, babe.
Okay, no worries. Well, I'm just going to run your information real quick, make sure everything's
Yeah,
good.
no
And if
worries.
that's the case, like I said, I'm just going to give you a warning. All right.
Not a problem, babe. Not
Okay,
a problem. I just
sounds
want to
good.
get home.
All right, I'll be right back with
Okay.
you. You can roll the window up. I know it's chilly out.
Okay, go ahead.
A few moments later.
Okay, Jennifer.
Ow.
You have a warrant for your arrest
For what?
for destruction of property of somebody else.
Wow.
So I'm not going to arrest you on it. I'm just letting you know because if it was something
Is
higher,
it here in the land, here in the state?
it's in Lyon County.
Property damage.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know anybody in Lyon County.
Okay, we'll just call them up. 'cause
Okay, I'll
that's what
find
you
out.
have.
Thank you. Sounds
Okay.
good.
So call them up and then just take care of it that way. All right.
So now that the interaction is over, there is a few things I want to discuss. First of all, I think this cop might be lying because if there was actually a valid and active warrant, there is no chance this cop would just let it slide. I also allude to the fact that he is probably lying because he willingly lied at the beginning of the traffic stop by saying the driver was going 80 miles per hour when her dash cam clearly showed that she was going under 70. She even called the officer out on his lie, so at that point is when she should have had no compliance with his unlawful orders. We do not exercise our rights to be rude or to prevent police from doing their jobs. We simply exercise our rights to limit the scope of authority that government entities have over us and to protect ourselves from improper government overreach. I think in this specific situation, the driver should have exercised her Fourth and Fifth Amendment right by not providing her information to the officer and not answering any of his questions. Because even if he was lying about the warrant, he still ran her name through the system and gave her a warning for speeding even though she wasn't. Next time her plate is ran by another cop that is willing to lie and prey on people to extort them out of their money, they will see this incident pop up and possibly use it as an angle against her. But let me know what you think in the comments. What would you have done in this situation? Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up on your way out.
San Joaquin, San Joaquin. Yeah. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rollin', no stopping. They don't know nothing, we gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros. Telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the group. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over for? This is public property. You not even